Welcome back to Raj CFO, the channel that helps you navigate the world of finance and the economy. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 ways to save money during a recession. With the economy facing uncertain times, it's important to take proactive steps to protect your finances and ensure your financial security. So, let's dive in. Point number 1. Cut unnecessary expenses. During a recession, it's important to review your expenses and cut unnecessary costs. This might include canceling subscriptions or memberships if you don't use, reducing dining out or entertainment expenses, and shopping around for cheaper insurance or utility providers. Point number 2. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind during uncertain times. Try to set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a separate savings account or money market fund. Point number 3. Pay off debt. During a recession, it's important to prioritize paying off debt to reduce your overall financial risk. Focus on high-interest debt first, such as credit card balances, and consider consolidating or refinancing loans to lower your interest rate. Point number 4. Avoid new debt. During a recession, it's important to avoid taking on new debt or using credit cards excessively. This can help you avoid getting into a financial hole that's difficult to climb out of. Point number 5. Increase your income. Consider ways to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job or freelancing on the side. This can help you build your emergency fund, pay off debt, or invest for the future. Point number 6. Use coupons and discounts. Take advantage of coupons and discounts when shopping for groceries, household items, and other necessities. This can help you save money and stretch your budget further. Point number 7. Buy used or refurbished items. Consider buying used or refurbished items when shopping for electronics, appliances, and other big-ticket items. This can help you save money and still get high-quality products. Point number 8. Review insurance coverage. Review your insurance coverage, such as auto and homeowners insurance, to ensure you're not overpaying for coverage you don't need. Shop around for competitive rates and consider increasing your deductibles to lower your premiums. Point number 9. Invest in energy-efficient upgrades. Investing in energy-efficient upgrades, such as LED light bulbs or a programmable thermostat, can help you save money on utility bills over the long term. Point number 10. Avoid impulsive purchases. Finally, avoid impulsive purchases and think carefully before making big-ticket purchases. Take the time to research your options and compare prices before making a decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.